right, I need you to find the worksheet that looks like this. It was given on our last class meeting together. It's probably the last page stapled with all your blue sheets. All right, it says Friday on the top right-hand corner because it is hopefully Friday when you're watching this and doing your assignment. So today we're going to talk about how to graph functions. There's more than one way to graph a function. Today we're going to use tables in order to graph a function. And sometimes your tables will give you the x values, such as this worksheet, and sometimes they don't give you the x values. So you would just randomly select a few x values to create a table. Then after you have your x values chosen, which this worksheet has already chosen them for you, you're going to take your x numbers in the x column and you're going to plug them in for the x. So I have -1, 0, 2, and 4 that I need to plug into this equation. Not all at the same time, but one number at a time. And that'll give you your y value. So the first one is going to be y equals 2 times, we're going to replace the x with a -1, and then keep the -3. So then you can use the calculator or use just your mental math and determine what that y value would equal when you plugged in -1. So 2 times -1 is -2, take away 3 is -5. So I'd put that into the y column next to the -1. Next, we're going to plug in a 0. So now I have an equation of 2 times 0, take away 3. 2 times 0 is 0, take away 3 is -3. So you would write that number down in the y column next to the 0. Next, we're plugging in a 2. So 2 times 2 minus 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Take away 3 is 1. It's very simple. Take each x, plug it into the given equation to fill in the y column. Last number we have is a 4. So 2 times 4, take away 3. We have 8, take away 3, which is 5. So now I have a completed table that I can use to graph my equation. I label my x and my y axis, and therefore you should too every time. And now I'm going to graph each ordered pair. I have 4 ordered pairs, so I should have 4 dots on my graph when I get done. -1, -5, remember from previous math classes how to graph an ordered pair. You're going to do the x first, so you're going to go left 1 because it's negative. And then we're going to do y, which is -5, which is down 5. So left 1, down 5. Puts a point right there. The next one is 0, -3. So we don't go anywhere on the x because that's a 0. And then the y is -3, so that's down 3. 2, 1 is to the right 2, and then up 1. 4, 5 is to the right 4, and then up 5. And now we're going to connect these dots because this is a linear equation, which means it makes a line. So I'm going to cheat. It's not really cheating, but I'm going to use a ruler to connect, because if not, I probably wouldn't be drawing a straight line here. As good as it gets. So you can use a straight edge like a ruler or a note card or something that would be perfectly fine. And that is how you graph a function using a table. I'm going to do one more with you, and then your work is going to be 2 through 6. All right, so number 1, again, we're going to take these x values and we're going to plug them in for the x in the equation. So the first one's going to be y equals -5 plus 4. -5 plus 4 is -1. The next number we plug in is a -4. Into that equation would give you -4 plus 4, which is 0. Next, -2 plus 4. -2 plus 4 is 2. And last number we're going to plug in is a 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Now I'm ready to graph because my table has been filled in. Label your x-axis and your y-axis. The first ordered pair is -5, -1, so I go left 5 because it's negative and down 1 because it's also negative. -4, 0, go to the left 4, nowhere for the 0, so I just stay on the x-axis. -2, 2 is to the left 2, up 2. 0, 4 is up 4. Again, get your straight edge out and use that to help you connect your 4 points. Like so. Put an arrow on each end because it is a line and it does continue to go on forever and ever and ever. Kind of missed my dots, but you get the idea there. All right, so your assignment is to do numbers 2 through 6. You can take a picture of your completed work and upload it in Google Classroom, or you can show it to me when we return back to face so I can mark you as done, and so you would get credit for the work that you did. If you have any questions, please remember that you can message me or email me, and I will help you the best that I can during our remote learning days. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.